Welcome to Professional Insurance Program's on-demand webinar, Cyber Liability Insurance. Are you protected against digital threats? Today, we'll be walking you through key topics to help you understand the risks your business faces online and how to protect yourself through cyber liability coverage. In this session, we'll cover the cyber threat landscape and look at the most common attacks targeting small businesses today. We'll go over what cyber insurance includes and, just as importantly, what it doesn't cover. We'll share real claim scenarios, touch on the legal and compliance exposures you may not know about, and offer simple steps to reduce your risk. Finally, we'll guide you through selecting the right policy. Cyber threats were on the rise in 2025 and will continue to evolve. We've been seeing an increase in ransomware attacks that encrypt critical data, phishing emails that deceive employees, credential theft, and wire transfer fraud. Small businesses are hit hard. 43% of ransomware attacks target small organizations. The average cost of a single attack? Around $200,000. These are not just IT problems, they're business survival issues. Who needs cyber insurance? Any business that collects or stores client, patient, or employee data is at risk and needs cyber insurance. Smaller businesses are targeted more often because they typically have weaker defenses. Dental practices, law firms, accounting firms, and real estate agents all handle sensitive information that cyber criminals want. Even if you think you're too small to be noticed, automated attacks don't discriminate. If you use email or store data, you're a target. Cyber liability insurance helps your business recover after a cyber attack or data breach. First-party coverage pays for things like data recovery, lost income, breach response, and even ransom payments. Third-party coverage protects you from lawsuits, regulatory penalties, and notification costs. This kind of insurance supports both your recovery and your legal responsibilities if others are affected. Cyber insurance usually covers breach investigation, legal defense, notification costs, data recovery, business interruption, and public relations help. These benefits can make a huge difference in how quickly and effectively you recover from an attack. Cyber insurance doesn't cover everything. Most policies exclude known prior breaches, poor security hygiene like not using antivirus software, theft of physical devices unless it causes a data breach, and intentional wrongdoing by employees or owners. It's important to understand these exclusions when evaluating your policy. Here is an example of a claim. A dental practice fell victim to ransomware after opening a malicious email. Patient records, billing data, and schedules were all encrypted. Their insurer paid $74,000 in total, which covered the ransom, forensic IT support, notification letters, and PR help. The practice was back online in just 3 days. Here is an example of another claim. A law firm received a fake email that appeared to be from a client, requesting a wire transfer of $92,000. The money was sent to a fraudulent account and disappeared. Their cyber policy helped recover part of the funds and paid legal fees when the client filed a complaint. Social engineering attacks like this are becoming increasingly common. Businesses in Wisconsin must follow state breach notification laws. Healthcare providers face added HIPAA requirements, and financial firms must comply with GLBA. HIPAA violations can lead to fines of up to $50,000 per violation, and breaches must be reported promptly. Ignoring these laws can mean big penalties and legal trouble. A cyber event moves quickly. In the first 2 hours, malware spreads. By hour 12, the breach is confirmed. Within a day, systems are isolated and recovery starts. Over the next few weeks, you'll send notifications, restore systems, and begin rebuilding. Over the next year, you may face regulatory action and lawsuits. A good insurance policy helps you manage this entire timeline. Simple steps can dramatically lower your cyber risk. Use multi-factor authentication, backup data regularly and offline, require strong passwords, and train employees to recognize phishing. These are also steps insurers look for when evaluating your application. Many business owners believe they're too small to be targeted or that their IT provider or general liability policy will protect them. The truth is, cyber criminals go after small businesses because they're easier targets. IT support helps with prevention, but they don't cover financial losses. Most general liability policies specifically exclude cyber incidents. Not all cyber policies are the same. You should look for coverage that includes funds transfer fraud, ransomware, business interruption, data recovery, and regulatory penalties. Ask about sublimits, deductibles, 24/7 breach response, and any security requirements you must maintain. The right policy fits your business's actual risk level. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about cyber liability insurance. If you're unsure about your current cyber coverage or want to explore your options, professional insurance programs can help. Call us at 800 637 4676, email info@profinsprog.com, or visit www.insuranceformembers.com to learn more. We'll review your needs and help you find the right protection.